In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in your contacts list. We'll go through the full process from opening the contacts area all the way to saving the new entry correctly. This is a simple task, but it's important to enter the information carefully so your records stay organized and easy to manage later. To begin, open the contacts section of your system. Once you're there, go to All Contacts. This is the main area where your existing contacts are stored and where you can view, search, and manage them. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid adding information in the wrong section. After that, click Add Contact. This will open the form where you can create a brand new contact record. If your system loads a blank entry screen or a pop-up form, that's exactly where you need to be. This form is where all the key details for the contact will be entered. Now start filling in the contact information. First, enter the contact name. Make sure the name is spelled correctly since this is usually the primary way the contact will be identified later. Next, enter the email address. Be careful here as well because even a small typo can cause communication issues if this contact is used for emails or notifications. Then enter the address information. Depending on the system, this may include a full mailing address or several separate fields. Try to complete the address as accurately as possible so the contact record is complete and useful for future reference. You'll also need to enter the financial details. These details may vary depending on how your system is set up, so take your time and make sure the information matches the intended record. Accuracy is especially important in this section, since financial information often affects billing, reporting, or account management. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review everything you entered. Check for typing errors, missing fields, or incorrect formatting. A short review now can save time later and help prevent the need for corrections. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. This will save the new contact and close the form, usually returning you to the contacts list. From there, you should be able to see the new contact in your records. And that's it. You've successfully added a new contact by opening All Contacts, selecting Add Contact, entering the required details, and then saving your changes.